How to switch to a creator account on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your personal Instagram account into a creator account. This is useful because it gives you access to extra features and tools. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile page and tap on the navigation bar in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see Account Type and Tools. Tap on this. Next, select Switch to Professional Account and click. Next, you'll need to pick a category from the list. Then click Switch to Professional Account again. Now choose either Creator or Business. In this example, we'll select Creator and press Next. Instagram will ask you a few more questions, but you can skip these for now by tapping the cross icon in the top right corner. Finally, go back to your profile and refresh the page. You'll now see the Professional Dashboard, which is a hub just for creators. Tap on it and you'll have access to all the different creator tools.